Welcome to the Auto Experience, your ultimate destination for the latest news, reviews, and all things automotive. If you love cars and want to stay updated on the best models, specs, and features in the automotive world, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota Corolla Altis, a car that promises to take the Corolla line up to the next level. Whether you're a long-time fan of the Corolla series or new to this iconic nameplate, we've got all the details for you in this comprehensive review. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Altis has been a highly awaited model, with car enthusiasts and potential buyers eagerly anticipating its release. Toyota continues to push boundaries with this compact sedan, combining modern design, advanced technology, and impressive performance. In this video, we will walk you through everything from the exterior design to the interior features, performance capabilities, and the innovative technologies that make the 2025 Corolla Altis stand out in a crowded market. Let's begin with the design. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Altis has undergone a few notable updates, with a more sophisticated and dynamic exterior that enhances its road presence. The front of the car has been revamped with a sleek, sharp grille, flanked by angular LED headlights that add to its modern aesthetic. Toyota has also streamlined the body lines, making the 2025 Altis look more athletic and aggressive. The aerodynamic shape, coupled with the new design elements, not only improves its visual appeal but also contributes to enhanced fuel efficiency and better handling. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Corolla Altis features a set of striking alloy wheels that complement its refined design. The car's proportions remain familiar, maintaining the compact sedan look that the Corolla is known for, while adding a touch of sophistication with a more sculpted body. The rear end of the car has also been refreshed, with slimmer taillights and a more defined rear bumper. The overall look is stylish yet understated, which is exactly what Toyota does best. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Altis offers a blend of comfort and technology. The interior has been significantly upgraded, featuring high-quality materials and a more premium feel. The dashboard has been redesigned with a clean, modern layout, and it now includes a large touchscreen display that sits at the center of the console. This display integrates seamlessly with the car's infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's proprietary system. The user interface is smooth and intuitive, making it easy to control navigation, music, and other functions while keeping your focus on the road. The steering wheel of the 2025 Corolla Altis is wrapped in leather, offering a premium touch, and it comes with various controls for audio, cruise control, and more. The seats have been redesigned for increased comfort and support, with higher quality upholstery materials. The driving position is ergonomically designed, giving the driver a clear view of the road ahead and easy access to all controls. Space is another highlight of the 2025 Toyota Corolla Altis. Despite being a compact sedan, it offers a spacious cabin, especially for front seat passengers. The rear seat area is also surprisingly roomy for its class, providing ample legroom and headroom. This makes the Altis a great choice for families or anyone looking for a practical car with a comfortable interior. In terms of performance, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Altis continues to offer the smooth, reliable driving experience that the Corolla series is famous for. Under the hood, you'll find a range of powertrain options, including a fuel-efficient hybrid variant that promises excellent fuel economy and low emissions. The standard gasoline engine has also been upgraded, offering a good balance of power and efficiency. The 2025 Altis is equipped with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers a respectable amount of horsepower, perfect for city driving and highway cruising. The hybrid variant, which combines a petrol engine with an electric motor, provides even better fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for those looking to save on fuel costs while reducing their environmental impact. The driving experience is further enhanced by the advanced suspension system, which ensures a smooth ride even on rough or uneven surfaces. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a longer journey, the Corolla Altis provides a comfortable and stable driving experience. The car also offers responsive handling, making it a joy to drive in tight city traffic or on winding roads. Safety is another area where the 2025 Toyota Corolla Altis excels. Toyota has equipped the Altis with a range of advanced safety features, making it one of the safest cars in its class. Standard features include Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of active safety technologies that includes lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, pre-collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features work together to help prevent accidents and protect occupants in the event of a collision. The Altis also comes with a comprehensive set of airbags, stability control, and traction control to further enhance safety. One of the standout features of the 2025 Corolla Altis is its technology package. Toyota has integrated cutting-edge technology to improve convenience, entertainment, and overall driving experience. In addition to the large touchscreen infotainment system, the car offers a wireless charging pad for your smartphone, multiple USB ports, and even an advanced voice recognition system. The Toyota Connected Services Suite offers real-time vehicle diagnostics, remote access features, and even the ability to track your car's location through your smartphone. In terms of fuel economy, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Altis does not disappoint. The hybrid model offers an impressive fuel efficiency rating, with Toyota claiming it can achieve up to 50 miles per gallon, (mpg), in certain conditions. The gasoline engine also provides competitive fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for daily commutes or long trips. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Altis is expected to be competitively priced within the compact sedan segment. While the hybrid variant may come at a premium, it offers long-term savings in fuel costs, making it a great value for eco-conscious buyers. The standard model is also priced attractively, offering great value for those looking for a reliable, well-equipped sedan without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Altis is a car that successfully combines modern design, advanced technology, and practical performance. It offers a comfortable and spacious interior, excellent fuel efficiency, and a smooth, enjoyable driving experience. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver, a fuel-efficient family car, or a car that offers cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Corolla Altis ticks all the boxes. It's clear that Toyota has worked hard to enhance every aspect of this car, ensuring it remains one of the top contenders in the compact sedan segment. If you're interested in seeing more reviews, updates, and features about the latest cars and automotive innovations, make sure to subscribe to the Auto Experience channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.